Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Buy Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goals on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goals on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the CMF watch application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the CMF watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here tap on the daily goals right here at the top. And right here we can customize our goals, and we can tap on the settings icon next to steps, and we can adjust the step goal by tapping, or rather by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the amounts of steps you like, then tap on confirm, then go back to the health page, see if the watch is connected. It is, so we can close the app, wake up the screen on our watch, press the side button, tap on activity, scroll down and see if the steps updated, and they did. As you can see, we have 8,000. Okay, and that's how you change the step goals or goal step for steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.